Good morning or afternoon. My name is Miss Lindemeyer, and today we're going to talk about paragraphing. So to begin, do you guys remember or know what a paragraph is and what goes into it? Well, a paragraph is a group of sentences that focuses on one main idea. It starts off with a topic sentence, which introduces your main idea of the paragraph and what you're going to be focusing on. Following that are supporting detail sentences. Think of these as your condiments. They're important to making your meal delicious and your story or paragraph interesting. And last but not least, you have your conclusion sentence. The conclusion is where you wrap up all of your ideas and usually where you restate the topic sentence. This is really important because sometimes people forget the point of what they read and need to be reminded. The conclusion sentence provides a short summary to remind people. So to kind of show you guys a little visual representation of a paragraph, you have the bun right here, which is your topic sentence. Here you have some delicious tomatoes and some condiments, a little bit of cheese and some weird type of meat going on here. And that is all your supporting details, the meat of the burger, what makes it good and really what defines it. And then here you have your other bun, which is the concluding sentence. So together they create one big cohesive and delicious thing. Okay, so now I want you guys to take a second and read a handout that Miss Bailey gave you or is about to give you. So while you're reading, I really want you to pay attention and notice how the author introduces the idea, provides supporting detail, and ends with the conclusion. I also want you to get out your pencils and underline the topic sentence, circle the supporting detail, and then underline the conclusion. So just take a few minutes to do this, maybe 3 to 5 minutes at the most, and then go ahead and pause the video while you go ahead and do that. So how was that? Was it easy? Was it hard? Did it make sense at all? Did you kind of see how paragraphs are set up a certain way? It makes sense, and it makes the story and information flow along in a steady pace. Now next, I have something fun planned. I call it a sentence scramble. So what I want you guys to do is take the little plastic baggies that she's either already given you or that you're about to receive. And so what you're going to do is try to recreate the paragraph. So keeping in mind topic sentence, supporting detail, and conclusion, you're going to try to recreate this the paragraph and put it back together. And here on this slide are some clues to kind of help you along. So go ahead and take about 10 minutes or so, pause the video here, and go ahead and do that. Awesome job, guys. I knew you could do it. That wasn't so bad, was it? So, did you notice how similar ideas are put together in one paragraph and how the author included a lot of detail to explain the topic? It's really important to make sure your ideas go together in a way that makes sense, or your story will seem pretty random, won't it? Or if you remember your burger, you end up with a burger salad that doesn't taste very good or looks very pretty. So what did you have trouble with? Write down one thing that you had trouble with, and if you didn't have any trouble, just go ahead and leave it blank then. Alright, so remember, a paragraph has a topic sentence, supporting detail, and a conclusion. Remember your hamburger. You have the first top bun that is your topic sentence, which is the very beginning. And then in the middle you have your meat and your cheese, your lettuce, tomato, ketchup, and mustard, and that is your supporting detail, the gooey nitty-gritty of the sandwich. And then finally you have the other bun, which is your conclusion sentence, and it holds together the whole paragraph and the whole sentence. So keep that in mind when you're writing, because now for your exit slip. So I want you guys to write about 2 times you had to work hard to achieve your goals. I want you to try to get 2 paragraphs in and try to shoot for 4 to 6 sentences for each idea. So try to maybe do 2 separate ideas and connect them. And then lastly, I want you guys to have a wonderful day.